Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the official Barron token. Now right off the bat, I'm going to tell you that this is not an official Barron token. This is not from Donald Trump. This is not from Barron Trump. This is just a fan token with the name official Barron. And, a lot of people are very skeptical about these official, non-official tokens, and there's definitely risks involved. And even as I'm looking at this token right now, this one is down 48% in the past hour. So just be aware that, first of all, this is not an official token, and it is crazy volatile right now. It's trending number 12 in the Solana section on DEX Screener, and the only reason I'm talking about this token right now is because it has a 24-hour trade volume of $235.8 million. So almost $250 million in 24-hour trade volume. That is absolutely crazy, and we're going to go over the information on the official Barron token. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it all started yesterday when Trump announced that he is launching his own official Memecoin. Now, Trump has launched some NFTs in the past, a couple different collections of Trump NFTs. And then yesterday he launched his own Memecoin, announced it on his own Twitter. And that's how you could tell, obviously, it is from him. Very well put together web page for the token, tons of interest right off the bat. It's still trending number 1 right now. And since, that token was super popular, all of a sudden there is a ton of other spin-off meme coins of people announcing, this is the official Elon Musk token. But here's the catch, is that there are not official tokens, and they are not from Elon Musk, or this one is not from Barron Trump. But yet, they went absolutely bananas. And this one right here, the official Barron token, has 41,442 holders. 10 different liquidity providers for Raydium. And they have a Telegram, they have a Twitter. They don't have a web page listed on here. This is a brand new token, came out 15 hours, 23 minutes ago. It was created on pump.fun, a webpage for creating Solana meme coins. It says, join the Barron community. This is history in the making. They've been doing lots of marketing on DEX Screener, 3,500 lightning bolt marketing boost ads there. So we could check out their rug check in a second here. You can find this token here on SolScan, Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Gecko Terminal. Those are all places where you could view the statistics, the chart, the price. Started out with 1 billion total supply. This token right now has a current supply of 999,994,900 tokens. Token price is about 1.73 cents per token. Most of the numbers I go over are just going to fluctuate like crazy though, because how volatile this token is right now. 6 decimal places on this token here. They have a Telegram you can follow at Barron of Solana. 4,702 members on there. 1,756 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to discuss this project with other community members, other token holders. They have a Twitter that I'm going to put up right here. And it says the only official Barron token. Now, I mean, I don't even know how they can say that, really. You know what I mean? But because it's not an official token. Like, so the Elon Musk one, I just talked about the Elon Musk one today, and on their Twitter for the Elon Musk one, it says the official Elon Musk token, and then in the fine print there, it says fan token. And it had a blue verified check mark, so Twitter verified it. This one doesn't have a verified check mark. It just says, join the Barron community. This is history in the making. And they have, it's an old Twitter from June 2024 with 3,787 followers, 5 posts so far. It says, if you miss Trump, don't miss Barron. And then it has the contract address in almost every tweet. So if you are looking to get this token, and I would definitely take this one with a grain of salt before even thinking about getting it. But if you are looking to get it, you could easily find the contract address on the Twitter here. First of all, you would need Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet, any wallet that could store Solana tokens. And you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. You can fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the Barron token using the contract address you could find on their Twitter, on their SolScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener chart. Now, if we look at what's trending on Twitter right now in the business and finance section, etc., we have ticker symbol Trump, of course. We also have ticker symbol Elon. So these tokens are like trending on Twitter as well. And Barron here has an insane amount of holders. Let's check the rug check here. So it says copycat token, and that's because there was another token with the did this just get listed on MEXC Global? It says MEXC Global has 3.35% of the token. Somebody was saying check the wallets on the Elon token. So I was like, well, because there's Streamflow wallets that hold some of the tokens they were saying for the Elon token. But this one, you check the rug check and it says 3.35% of the tokens is in MEXC Global. 2.71% in Raydium, and then the top holder only has 2.12% of the token, so there's not even any big whales or anything. The only thing it says is copycat token is because there's other tokens with the ticker symbol Barron that are on the Solana blockchain, so they're just saying, like, don't get confused with other tokens there. So yeah, I mean, let's go over the Elon one actually quickly here. So the Elon, somebody was saying check the wallets, but now I'm skeptical of this person saying check the wallets. Now the Elon one is absolutely going bananas here. It has, it's actually down 52% in the past 6 hours, but it has a 24-hour trading volume of $593 million. So like way over $500 million in trade volume for the Elon token. And that's why that one's trending on Twitter there. So we could check their rug check, though, for the Elon one, because I didn't really check that in the last video. I did say that it obviously is not an official token. But yeah, I haven't checked MEXC Global today. There is an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. Yeah, so I don't even know. And this one's on MEXC as well, too, the Elon token. So I don't even know what that person's talking about. It says check the wallets. There's no, I mean, the top holder here has 6.51% of the tokens, and that is the Streamflow Vault. And then the second one is MEXC Global, then Raydium, and then the top holder has 1.12% of the tokens. So whoever said check the wallets on the Elon token, I have no clue what you're even talking about. But either way, these are both not official tokens. So definitely be aware that they are not official tokens. And looks like both of them, the Elon token and Barron and maybe more, got listed on MEXC Global. The Trump token got listed on MEXC Global yesterday. So if you're looking for any of these tokens with the, the official, unofficial, whatever you want to call them, tokens, it looks like they're all being listed on MEXC Global today. So check out the MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.